Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to know size of design in Canva. Okay, so I will show you the step by step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I have design in full canvas. So if you have design in full canvas, so you can find that exact size. So there is the two options in canvas. First you can go to the file, and here you can see your design name, and here you can see the exact size. You see here we have the 1920 pixel into 1080 pixel. Okay, so this is your exact size, and if you want to customize this, you can go to the resize here and go to the custom size. Okay, so this is your current size. You can customize like this. Okay, if you want to customize, this is a canvas size. Okay, it is not your element size, it is all blank canvas size. Okay, once you done, here you can see there is the two options, copy and resize the design. If you click then copy and resize, then Canva will create another design, and it will be, and then resize. So you will have your original design with that size. Okay, but if you want to click that resize this design, Canva will resize this existing design only. So I just click on it. So here you can see the size has been changed. Okay, now there is a elements. If there is a elements in design like this, you can also know what is the that element size. Okay, like if you want to know that image size, so select that image, go to the positions and go to the range. Here you can see the exact size of this image or elements or graphics. Okay, in here also you can change from here. After change, just click outside, the size will be changed. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.